In this video, I'm going to show you how to change TikTok display and username. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your TikTok application and there hit at your profile icon. Now, there at the top you got your display name, and just underneath your profile picture there is your username. And now I'm going to show you how to change both of them. To be able to do that, all you have to do is just hit there at Edit Profile button, and there you can hit on Name, and now you can change its name to any name that you want. So you can type there whatever you want and then hit save, and all you have to know that you can change your name in any time that you want, as much as you want. The other thing is about username. You can hit on username and now there you are able to change it. But first you have to know that username have to be unique. If it's already taken, you can't set the same username for your profile. The second thing is that if you change your username, you will change your TikTok profile URL, because now URL will contain your new username. And the last thing that you want to know, that you can change your username once in 30 days. So when you're ready, you can set or type in there any username that you want and then hit on save button to apply your new username. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.